Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Sean and today we're going to talk about electrostatics, the science of static electricity. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate static electricity generation, explain charge interactions, relate observations to principles, and of course, have some fun. The materials that we are going to use are cellophane and bits of styrofoam. Using these materials, we're going to show how static electricity is generated, understand attraction and repulsion, connect observations to the principles of electrostatics. First, let's generate static electricity. When I rub the balloon on my hair, the friction transfers electrons from my hair to the balloon, giving the balloon a negative charge. So we're generating static electricity. As you can see, when I try to put it on my head, my hair will rise up. Now let's try this on the styrofoam. First, I'm gonna rub this on my hair. So, as I tried to bring the negatively charged balloon near these neutral styrofoam pieces, the balloon's negative charge induces a positive charge on the near side of the styrofoam, causing attraction. This demonstrates attraction between opposite charges. I tried to do repulsion but I can't do it, so I just stick with attraction. Static electricity occurs when there is an imbalance of electric charges on the surface of a material. It happens because electrons, which are negatively charged particles, can move from one object to another through friction, contact, or induction. When electrons are gained or lost, the object becomes electrically charged, positively if it loses electrons and negatively if it gains electrons. Opposite charges attract, while like charges repel, leading to the behavior of objects experiencing static electricity. So in this video, we've seen attraction between charged and uncharged objects. This is the basic principle of electrostatics, crucial for technologies like photocopiers, paint sprayers, and even wire clothes sometimes stick together. Fun fact: if you rub your feet on the floor, then you lift your feet, then you try to touch somebody, you will electrocute him a little bit. That's all. Bye.